Hi, my name's Al. Welcome to Full Moon Restorations. Here we are with this beautiful purbrook rossiter, 18-foot Shelduck, built in Christchurch by the rossiters at the Rossiter boatyard, should I say. She's an 18-foot day sailor, coastal sailing yacht boat. And these boats were originally built as motor launchers. And the story is that someone at the yard, one of his friends, said, "How do you think these little boats will sail? Why don't we fit a mast and a sail and see how they sail?" So they fitted a 30-foot keel-stepped wooden mast, or probably a deck step mast to begin with, as they sailed pretty good. So they ended up fitting out a few with a center plate, a Bermudan rig, a big mainsail, and a foresail. And they sailed fantastic, so they fitted out quite a few, and that's how the story began. And eventually they went on to build the Heron, a 22-foot center plate with a bigger waterline keel. And then they went on to build the famous Curlew. Curlew is a famous boat, classical yacht, designed by the rossiters, and they were just under 30 feet. There's a few different sizes as far as I'm aware. And today here we're going to begin raking out the port side seams, and then when she's fully raked out, we're going to begin treating the wood with linseed oil, treating the hull, doing any minor repairs, replacing a few nails with silicone bronze screws, and eventually recorking her, repainting her, and then relaunch her in hopefully 3 to 4 weeks' time before the season ends. Join us for the journey. Thank you very much for tuning in.